Yeah? Or my giving. Giving is a virtue. Obi wo wa naturally no ye stingy. Be ma bi wo wa ye born no chese ni ti mu eden. Won fa won so no twempa na so no twempa ni ti mu eden. Be ma bi so naturally no ni nsam amre. On fa won so no twempa so no twempa na. Ai. Ara dia ba yi se ngege no. So no twempa na so no twempa no. Oh, you're giving person. So why? Na oye giving person enti no sa wo ko na bia wo se be ma biti ne ka mu me ka se bia that day no wo ko wa pie upio ma me woni ska nka wo mpie wa pie upie e na wa hia be ma no wo hwe na se oba ya mo fa free me so nkwa English is not our motherland on for ma se so me so na wo hwe na se oba ma no when you walk to no baby, you don't know the man from anywhere. Now what calculating who send a car be or the buy, and I'm spending be or best spending, and you know, who what calculating who say be a one and a quarter 500 cedi, dear, a dear now bet me a cash it down 1,000, mammy. Nothing where Mouse says he can't now friend the following day, so over what need Gianni say in a young crasses some. A Juma, who said Juma, a Juma, it's me do. Aya juma me ka che wade na boy anyim ni mita na ho bata ya juma wo society mi di obi so ti mi di adwuma ti mi di enu nti na obi wo ma asem ba mo say me nka bi mo but no sa me na koda asem no me nka bi mo because oh me boyfriend no me my like oh yeah me say emotional you know we can say uni obi na akwa out enti ade no be ma na otum say be ma we say me hu ni first day oni me koda ne ya the fact is say wan frame me biem a atutu nya no de be frame me enti fa boto ho my problem no we think say how will he see me or be say me I am say oni on dey so ya say no hu first day no koda no what does he think you are enti no so hu first day no koda but my fere say we will put price on our thing. But the man no no ferry say won oba one day no aka cho say ba onemu no no beda no de ono no won ferry but wo oba no ferry so oba ka che say bra me pa cho de e connect na de ti kura me bibi ni enti ma me say adanu program bi a me sha boy bi wuti university campus wuti KNUST what cram match free boy again free as say ko for free abono side mu wo 30 man. And again, about Kumasi, can you believe it? Kumasi no about that fear 3 good days. What crime macho from 30 miles to Kumasi, sister, you say, or more transportation crown po ye, your sister 20 something cities. Say in Kwa or sense saying. Now we are not Monday again, ne kwa. What's 150 Ghana? 150 Ghana and again, catch what say, so I was say, when I'm toy behind 10 city can what about them? Why do you ya? Now again, the transport to crab in and out to cry a saying. In and out, I am saying. Ni transport in and out, you're saying. Not just say, Waboka, that's a one I am a fair. No one at 10 who so bad mother. And what's not came to say 30 men to a ye. Say, when Yamin funny crazy, I when you crow across and my crow, I met him. It is again, Kaka, no cognac, then again, you will have a short say, and won't pass here one more Jimmy Samumbi. Why is he winning answer? Who will school them? So we have so this car around match who attack cry just only around match who fight trot cry saying what crab match if we touch my never them more dia because we need answer what crab match akola who be school what me crab match and as our girlfriend bi no aka say bi am girl no ni say me go school me body green tie bi cry ya be worry and say bi say what crab match if we touch man and I will buy and so can say friend be a man can ben girl my dream say who buy and going again die and who person why say wait chaso yes I won't friend be a man so mama I dear match ni so na beda ba ko na ni nda biem I dear match ni a man pesa wo de opa kwan ni nda 10 na wo de ni ninja ba so ni oba ni bi beda ba ko pe na ba ka say woni na ja me kan no be bodua edua bo be mo be bodua enti Valentine when this year last year can say yes, and this year, dear. This year, observation year. Man, show you move a brave funeral this year. A man, Munyai, San, your man. adwuma no boy na hyehye adi yes obi guy bi si wode ne car etwam a na ohia again na agina no bra o si yes o so kai no si adon si adan bi na menu mienu wo yehia sport ane me koda ye no o si ensese menya den o si an se esika woman 100 cedis so no say 100 cedis aden se me ka se je fafa car cause oh se fiti that day no frame bi no say am frame obi em sen o si ga ni so oba wi ase oba ma ne nda ba ko peda a wa jan no oba ma ne nda ba ko pe nya ne da enti no on ti ase obebo enudua asem we our court is pending our court is pending ana brand begusa me say edua ne benya ne anase enya no ana am say enya ne because say ye muni na ndia no wuni na ndia no onti bem oba bem ani dia no oba ni dia no say ma mema wo sei ana wan fa ma ne dia because adie we mita na ho ema ye ya die mita na ho nti wo oba no na wo so hu hawa so obebubu na akoto so obebu ni toto obi bu ba ko otibi digidan obi bu ma ko otibi digi bibi nti it's up to you so wo be hu hawa obesi ebubu die enti kana fo ma no kwade anu omo nya mahinya me yase abroche fo ma na de bia ena me diska ko ma be ma wo gan na ndi sister ti fiti mna tintin ya boda wuri to pa yesa wo de wonte asi internet ye free ayetimi show programs 2 hours so de wonte bi snow na ato ye me se me makafi ha se mti kura mpia bonte wonte bi kura mbia window ya kwa de se jobless women association ya kura ni dwumadi no kura no ye mpia bonte na mo amu dwumadi amu brewe valentine obi kraga na ma ya kukuru hampani a me nka se enkododofo na se me nka se me nya wo boyfriend wo Ghana show but june wo ho be ma na wo ti Ghana ho na wo sister wo ti abroche be ma wo ti abroche a wo ho ekire wa wo ntimi sisa CBC franco euro sister me so 50 euro 300 Ghana pe o 50 euros 300 Ghana pe wo de call shopper etimi to spaghetti etimi to akoko a de soup almost 3 euro 3 euro film aka 40 something na ebetimi ato and toast 45 cents ato che so obetimi aye nkwan a obetimi adimu be 3 days so nkwan po 3 days before days bi asa ye still kakra but awadwuma say abusa ho se be ma na wo hihye ni dwa wo Ghana no busa no se wo ho se boy no obetimi ahunyansa adisika every Ghana PS obe hunyansa disika ya de every Ghana abrewa na anaso no de bia bedi ye valentine ye be me se snow ato wa se me dan me camera na e de akyerema snow ato e wo Germany ha se na no ye kwa man so ho no mo Canada de so mo na man 40 something omo na man 40 something ti Germany for man 14 penini ebu afa so enti mo amuti se musika na mo de kwa ma mema no wo Ghana ho no mu di wie no mu jae mu a na no so beda ne mebo udua asem wenya mebo udua asem ni sa mu de kwa wie ma mo be ka nkyere ye mu twe mu mpra mu na mu ba bia mu hia mu mema no na mu nim de ntia mu yo mu show enti it's up to you people na me kwa na snow mu na me kwa na snow obi ansoma wo snow mu ba wo ba broche wa nkra me sa na be ka nkyere me because me nya da je nkwonkwo dance aka ne mu chere Valentine's Day wo hye now we na say Bema no, he's not really doing anything important. Nyansa die bia e wo abrabo ma wo kukuru sika. E de akoye Bema so na abrabo me si ebi mu Ghana. Eti mi send omo yirenum sika, eti mi send omo yirenum enuoma free Ghana. Into almost a mema no magimi ana Valentine ya ebe. It doesn't have to be one way. Obi ti Ghana pounds so only nim ha obi si aka che obi so please order flowers for my girlfriend and I say order something for my girlfriend only nim ha obi si a surprise wo abroche ha but it seems say wo de o abroche there you have it all until there wo na wo so surprise obi wo Ghana enti de bia e ne sese sika no ne amfa mbra sister jo wo so a wo ti Ghana wo hwe me ya ka say wo Ghana dada wanya boyfriend me bua say tira no koda wono nda so so obo na ka che say hia no ne koda mebu ankofa kwase ababia mfa ma abrochire ase ma ne mebo so enkofa obi bafun bia mfa ne mra ha sei ama ne mbamba bo so be ma no ote ne Ghana ote ase na ufa be ma wa abrochire kwa na nye ye eden ya weekend ba be fa ne ba weekdays wo hena so be so ko betim da ko jane papa na akọ enkofe obi se wa ware fo obi aware na yire ana na yire beta boche no so obekọ Ghana kra akonyem e dia ba ni kunu no na yire no ba se boyfriend and girlfriend what ya hwemanim Only boy na ti what see I say kro bi ko landi na ya because of them china one na ekoda sa wo shana so no that 3 days na nya year maame ko purpose no 2 bon ho ban this year ide ya mamu nyimi bon ho ban post no 2 wo ho ye wo de papa no de anya papa na 12 cedis enya papa mento to aboden no 50-30 Ghana ekono eye papa tobi na fa bon ho ban Fawi bo ho ban. What? Enkofa obi ba ema ba ema ne ntina Ghana. Na wo nkofa ne ba ema na as I said if it's your husband. What worry wo Ghana? It's okay. What worry wo Ghana na so wo be fa o ma is your husband wo be ema na yinanim. But be ema on yinanim on value you don't know where it's going. Enkofa ni pregnancy in free Ghana. Enfa mamet na broche ha and come and suffer depression, loneliness. Na bi kra oba yare na wo hwehwe be ma wo Ghana na be ma no ono de ne phone ato silent ni obi kotwi soloku but be ma no wo krom ma se enyenye kra ne ba yare betimi afre no ba bi wo bia no obeba awe fa ne ba na ko hospital na so no be kwa ko wen abum enti a Valentine no don't go and cheapen yourself all in the name of just a date 14th no e ma no na show love 14th ma no na ye ne otonyo mama ye mpra for dada 14th May no na guys dada and shema because of obi date our 14th February obi abo embese our life wo so your girl young girl I so asi so etina wo boy no na ye den sit at home because of that cliche Valentine no etina you do things be man betim de why ye bibi kura na onu mami enchema kobi wen me obi nkoto tilapia ye kobi o ye kobi tilapia ye kobi ayan hoye kobi ayan fanchine hye na ye tilapia ebi hye me mi di bia hye ase matoto bi ena ebi nso hye freezer no ye kobi tilapia hye nase ena kobi hye freezer ti say we need the difference between tilapia ni kobi ye kobi ono ani tilapia no atina emo obi nto benku ni tilapia kobi fa ma no nkoda What's your Valentine's Day and order benku nti sister mole yesen amole yesen sister amole yesen na maybe wo kro na me dwom ha me ntiase and odi me ko breakfast ya do ko breakfast nti mo amon ko breakfast o golden tulip ne ada ma me kan show breakfast na ye kom see dada na o see na ye no mu ofie na o bia na ye kotwa no wo enti no ani so yo ba obe peg caps ya akono caps so wo ofia or your ba to tonu ma bi wo wa uti ofia you feel like wako yi no wako eyi ni atwa yi sei yakotwa kokko sei di amount ewo Africa Regent no wako di ni buffet abram so wa ofia betimi a slice kokko sei no wadi bia kina wo ko peden or your boyfriend na anti nasta is be na munye bi da china no wo do ho ko boy ya pe wa won fi no achina wo de hampa ya di makre na ma de bia wo to bi ofie edi bia gum achina wo de hampa be dada ma no be kwa mo no akoda erade onu kwa akoda useless wo life all because of hampa nyoma na ewom ni nyina kodwom na misi ko tobi na wa busa basket ni edigum na buo na wa hihye bigum na fatai bo ano na hwese ne no ne hampa na ma me ade how then 2020 ni same 2021 is 2020 anes 2020 no na ya pony kakra na abedi 2021 we are still in 2020 but also wo bie wani yo ansa na wahu say 2020 na mu ne wo no nyasa wo hu enti a kira na ma mu nkojimi ewo ho siawa about social media no ye Valentine phone kuma ina na jeje me ha ma adwene ni bra scam ma bebre ba na omu complain cheme this year me nti bibia bie me nkodi mi sika ma me koye mi sei no memwa this social media nsema enra safu a ekotena Kingdom Plus FM ne mia Fifi Pratt. Man, no hear me for papa. Pacho Fifi Pratt worry. Fifi Pratt, is he married? Fifi Pratt. Fifi Pratt. Ayo, actually, no be bad just because of Valentine. Now, Paul, so see a Valentine and me Beman Koda, Beman up a whole all these years home pen. Just because of Valentine tea. Just because of say brony business, there's something called Valentine tea. One could useless song. Me Pacho is Fifi Pratt married. Fifi Pratt, is he married?
I'm going.
Hey, I'm not sharing.
Why?
Hey, I see Fifi Pratt, how are you? Oh.
I saw near to you.
Wait, case, near to you, coming to Germany, I think.
I had 50 practice on all day.
I never dance, I found by Mr. Yamafe.
Oh, shit.
2 years ago, a riding and coupon. Just 2 years ago, you have Fifi Pratt at me, our Jesus. Last time you fast the crank coming to me catch up. Ah, man, hear me for Papa Fifi Pratt. Oh, now I am Chasa with kids here, they can't hear some more mad. Yabeka boom, Tiawa, and found. Ah, Florence my darling has been destroyed. Oh, he's so handsome and so cute. Andra and Safua. Safua first near friend Adonko. Say the Safua say Adonko ya apeteshi bites. Ah, more apeteshi. Which key? Which I don't know. I know my father. Safua got tonight Kingdom Plus a card de Anka Fifi Pratt in it. Oba Fabregas go mu jai station in the ama Safua. Eh, Safua no mi so so, but Safua no mi nim se. Safua ti mi kasa sen de get ni kasa en no. Hey! Oba no kasa wa hu mi o mi there sometimes no. I know me dress am so extra but me woman ni bia na ma do mija me say hey say me kura me nkobe hey do you know delay yes no see delay amabra delay was it delay amabra for 12 good years delay I hear the delay show no delay amabra delay ni ayi delay any studio delay ni studio. I feel so delay macro. Ye channel outside. And delay in your factory. And now we see so change delay. No, we change delay. No factory sign no we be our Ghana ho. And now we change delay. Eh, some so the air some more. Hey, say factory some me maka. Miss the way amount for musi jeje. And I'm a assassin move down. Me person me see me pay crowd biase. No, I call top 100 acres, 50 Ghana, 50 Ghana. So, but I'm saying, 100 acres. And I'm a boy. Oh, I want oh, as I say, I could pay what is go 5 billion. Me 200 acres will cry biase. Me no me no one land. Me one sassy. I sing. Hey, Ghana Kasaya. Just a beginning and answer me says he buy no. It seems I didn't know the girl because the real Kasaka Kasaki to me. I Kingdom Plus the energy. Hey. Gani kasa ya afi de na Fabregas ni mi kunu fifi no mo nu omo ho omo nu omo so omo frɛ girl no wo se di adonko ya apeteshi fo ensa ene de faade de famiko faade na de ya apeteshi fo ensa na ye Stacy Amoatin Stacy je asem yi ye bo bia ho mpem ye Stacy Amoatin wo na wo gu mia me sister Equia GMB, awari. No kwade si aka twem dada. But you say, dear Mrs. Standing a trim plan, me I just am correct in the neighbor. And when you're a born yet, I said you are in a trim plan where you're fucking loaded, fucking. I don't have home. I'm not past them, sir. Or we trim plan. I found home. I say he's fucking dusted. Tesi a good who practical quotes, and then maybe I'm come see. As Ikafona, we think say they have money in Ghana. It's because of their fame, it's because they are into the media. That is why we think say they are so so. But yeah, Kasika pa me says Ghana. But because those people they are not into media, no say Africa for we value people's wealth by their fame. Yeah, Africa for the see your tea will be the chai. If you say that person is automatically a billionaire or was it so but your man for bebre they have money but they are not into the media. They are into oil, engineering, I mean different type of entrepreneurship into no yanti or mudi. It is any panel crab so pa. Probability is how we trying to cry low because you don't know them. You don't know them. But in go brain na ye ni mo na they be omo de car se chire me say see value omo assets ni value eka e wo omo wa I can bet you say omo ka be chain omo nyomo omo wo no. That is what people don't know in economics. What do you want? That is what people don't know in economics because in economics no say omo no who be a company when I cost one will be another one now and say cost one will be another one now who borrow now the same now they so ain't you know ya say dear me near queer and nature and planet there say but I quite saying cram or say yeah I was also say or say when I crabby then I so be in the 500 cedi now or go bu ne pun eh safo would you ho say you for so why dear what be kasa into a messa from secondary match Kingdom Plus for to mobile from and the doors is also called El Copamu okay say one and the doors Copamu okay say one a free ni studio intimate beto or cry say what dear and the doors and the dorsey obi anim say Andy we are all from Kumasi and the dorsey knows us at mani susa. He's my number one. I mean, I love him. Andy, I love him. He's always been down for us. Yeah, girls down on him saying, "Hey, what that time is just as interest." I know no ba when I didn't know. He has been there for us, but only okay say issue need to be frank and sincere, and the dosi wanya dear. And the dosi wanya dear in the sense say, me okay say one is a comic musician on that ball. Abro ya ben kwan ya ben kwan so aha hotel I say you know I'm a chan that time yes so and dosi Lexus bills when na baby ecstasy Lexus bill and some mun na kwa akra no we were young but that time no mo buy South Interest to DJ Tifaro all those stuff we knew them yes so but Andy who are crying now, he's always been down for Sister Sandy be a guy and all those and crying and free Kumasi. Until I love him. But okay, so one on board Yumbia. Okay, so one. And a boy, ya ben quine, cremo for quine. Okay, so one and I say, so what's I did Kwame Eugene Yumbi, as our boy Yumbi. He's not an on bonum, that's just about it. And he could even be said on no studio talking so they no be an him. And some like people said no. And some audio be baba when it's your producer. And see if the artist is late or if the artist is one, it's your producer that you have to talk to. Producer and a friend probably crabby cry or be more cry Ghana, they be much payo and stuff and son will be aba. And I on a radio station as a TV station. You are just a presenter there. Nobody who owns a studio or be natural studio no watch the adverts so it's your show. People pay adverts so that you get paid. And no matter who you bring, you know. Go for no people who pay who have adverts, you know, they watch the stream. Emotion the paddle do or share any of their then they will invest their money. Nobody wants to put their money where they will lose. And you okay say one buy now why you late, you know. How be your boss near train you know near the how and the way your jumana chair. Why your jumana chair. So I wasn't really expecting that from Andy Dorsey. I think he said that day, no. He wasn't really in a good mood that day. He wasn't really in a good mood. But okay, say one, sorry, why? Next time so Mr. Your friend will studio, I am so brantem. And I Ghana phone so people say, how are you? No? I say mo be coca hey and I'm on phone say how are you na dey walk out of my studio I dey happen. Sometimes it's the approach. How somebody approaches you na no na dey a yin back. And about the trending deɛ ɛkɔso ne deɛ ɛba no ɛsɛ deɛ Facebook baby a deɛ asɛ yɛngya mfa ma maame ngege ɛne amankrado ɛne nana agrada one ɔma start ɔmo nneɔma no bara nye ɔmo issue na nkasa na yɛden yɛba bɛbobɔ so but yɛmfa bi ntoto enwoma ho maame ngege ne amankrado ɛyɛ namfofo maame ngege ne amankrado ɛyɛ namfofo that time no we all know say ngege ne young sisi ɛna na edisa ɛna ɔmo nyina na edisa o somehow na amankrado ne yi young sisi munya problem ɛna ɛsɛ ngege be di amankrado side yes obedi amankrado side na yɛsɛ asemi ba and I didn't know the head and the tail na me freeway say my freeway ma busa nipa ni say what is really going on but me freeway way a different way a different na me ya me but me tell na me hwɛ de akonya me busa am say friendship adamfo kra no adamfo ye ne sen wo social media friendship say oni obi be ya adamfo na e chi na asem bi beba na nipa no ontimi mfrɛw ense na ekoso agrada engege na amankrado asem entem no they could have resolved it with just one call o nka nipa baakofo eye nyansafo to the sense obebusa baako say what is going on anka de aba nyina anka yeden emba because sometimes when you obi ade wadamfo no but na wu nim say why yeden why nipa na de and say nipa na aware say why wo saade na that person will ignore you but say nipa ya wade wonim say why wade but that person is trying to get through to you it means say nipa no wonim say why wo bibi it is up to you so beka che wadamfo ni say me nua adam wo say ni say na wo jeye ana say ni say no obi beka kire me say why kalesa enunti na yeden mebuafu but we don't ask questions engege ni agada say muzo mo sha say a lot of people say na eyo omo fe adamfo bi owa eyo obi fe say ma tu maka bom na mo ya adamfo e fe but amuntu kwa na e bae no nka just one call could have solved entokwa ni nyina but everybody felt big erade say me pie kwa anim wa on onkra we omo to besu Kalesa. But Obia feel say, oh, I don't owe anybody an explanation. I don't owe anybody. Now I escalating to this extent. And some of course up and down. Where she say. You saw only nipa be diagro. A bedroom maybe. Not just because of asem kitwe bi a enya asem. Na nipa ni didn't find you say wunim nyansa enough say we be share it with you. Na nipa no be den anu be nyansa but they be always say it's all about social media. Adamfo a wunim no personally whilst growing up no matter how amonye that close you know that person's weakness. You better in pakona said them but you still know where to hit. And but when you meet somebody and the connection is through social media now you don't know the level that the person can go. You can't measure their stupidity out of social media and one, but you don't really know them. You can't measure where they are. Because in Tokobi or what a huya and can we mammy gagene agrada some none can you can say a bruise say. Simple call a man cardoning gage, not a new can say a bruise say. But just one call I will be and Timianka said no. Mammy free call back pet. Mami friend call back pet. And mostly social media I say near one and these blogging stuff no. So you are doing some microphone or musha more no. They be you will listen to them and obey a mistake. They are your fans though, they are your followers though, but also everybody has the way they see things from outside. Who will say no boyfriend and ya some my downfall. Able to me fussing who na some no at all no we are now. No boyfriend, etimi nya asem. Wadamfo no, wadamfo no, etimi nya na ja. Ese wo na asem ye de di wo no, that is how love is. obi fa paint mu a wo na wo tincha wo do ni nti wo ti mete kura se onu nipa no but e be wi ache no ne boy na kwa akọ bom wo so o ma ye third person o ma ye fu nye fool o you did what you had to nyese wa jimi nti na wadanfo na wo bleed man no but that is how life is sa na e da etie enti nyoma bi wo wa obi ye wade wo feel se wadanfo ye wade one pem anka nche wadanfo ni se odo this is what you've done why am I we say eye me ya no one see ahwe say e bi kwa no nipa no onim no onim no anka say any sad dia oh any sorry any me kwa sa na minim say you then you keep the thing inside you now starting like they started now caption yoma nipa no kwa doesn't know nipa no kwa timi comment wo caption no so timi kwa like because onim say oni obi hu for na enya asem oni kwa say woni na enya asem now caption yoma na nipa doesn't know now you giving the person the silent treatment. You don't even tell the person so say na why ya. Then you expect the person to enter your head. No one will say na why ya. Onti me hu. Enti social media friendship no any blogging no say why ya. Sometimes you want to keep quiet but who me a wo fans ni omo they follow you they make us say oh wait there why you lose. Sometimes you have to lose in order to gain. Enye ni nyina na e dey what's your so nye ni nyina ara. Enye ni nyina na social media what's your so. Sometimes nipa we otim say na di agwo pen ba bi ode me kono me mpe. What's not now you focus on something better. Ehun be wan faso. But omo no omo tin chen no e be ka oh ko share obeto show say why you weak obeto show say na ye den. Sometimes you just have to let things go. Me no I can just cut you off like pa. Let the person go. So nobody feel say go in about buana. You have to let the person go. But it doesn't mean say koki can asem. It doesn't mean say from and saying say we are you say no. Answer na ube hu nipa ne say na ho. You were okay. Nti say nipa won na dia gro na say bibia ba na say nipa no kro be ma o caption 100,000 and coins and me hu. That's just about it. Me hu. So many panic be let the person be. There are some people you can even love them from afar. It doesn't mean say you hate them. Your journey with them is just over. It doesn't mean say you hate them. Sometimes there are some people you don't even need to fight with them and suddenly you break up with them. But the journey is not going anywhere. It's just over. Let the person be. Maybe you are the person. You are even holding the person back. But who journey and you see that the person is doing greater things, and you can even be happy for the person. I don't just say we know what someone say chinchina trying. No. So it's about time. Followers and so anyone who pay amount for yeah. Now for my phone penny for more my kunum. Now ya to a and then now we check and now why you say now where you say what is the end game? The end game pan is at the end of the day. No. End game no. And only the end for come energy at the end of the day no there. Yeah. They say social media so na you see bibia ye can be that way. They say what if there social media can be before say beba. We don't even know. Obi abu am sun say we sun me am better say na me jimi me ho a. Me na ma cause my but so obi be force me to play nonsense there. No. You can't force me to play nonsense. Me no want that. You just let the person and then go. And one time the baby. Into a winning so na heading. But we knew fine. Into na heading. Manenko. Me guess no go fan who we was it from where number. Auntie please. Me am on nam dem abre. E di omo chenye de be di ani. Hello, auntie na one birthday. Oh, birthday wishes no still ongoing. Birthday wishes no still ongoing. Why? Please again, me my YouTube. Honam Sardine, YouTube, me pout show. If you want to hear me speak slangs English, I go to my YouTube channel, Honam Sardine. Nako follow and I'll cry call and subscribe. Na kofo mugusa creams near the aden me pout show. If you want to lose, if you want to lose weight, I will Germany. It doesn't matter. UK baby, I will be a Ghana for so me to be posting one. And when Juice Plus me pa cho lady bi opese okọ Ghana na watu abom na ne ma wo tata so ube hu die ma ye lady na e be shoke wo me say Marie model no sister no me say ne yafuna ka yi no and so opese wo ye corset nso so e de boy mu because Ghanaian lady bi nso so awu at the hands of plastic surgery okoye plastic surgery we Germany ha say wawu me pa cho plastic surgery no ebi mu osika o metimi ayo but doctor kone say take na ya kono ananka me tutusu akono je say why dangerous take for no yesi go be bre so fi take ba mutimi bewu enti take ni me kra ma sign me sika kra ba anwa mi nyango enti please o pe corset enye ni nyina na ye betimi atwitwa bia fim corset oba pe corset abetimi ade enya shape nyani nyina na ye betimi ade akotwitwa bia free so a na de be she wata de papa bia just contact him and a Juice Plus and so supplements any booster no person will slimming down contact me uba me DM one you can pay it monthly me pa cho Ghana I used to wuchie ni nyina somewhere won na moba 1,500 ni sa dia de minti me so Ghana na wo hwe na se wuntimi a now I stop it but US any other countries or country bia anywhere booster is not available in US enti ayo mo ma yeto bi ni aposti wo mo booster ni nie we na ebe twe ho fat ni booster no lady no o ma ne de ensan se wo kọ Ghana che se wo sister na mama ma sculpt no sister wo be shape pa sister na se wo mi bi odamasi wo be shape pa wo de kọ Ghana ho na enye easy PS de ensan mo ne na adu na shape pa wo de kọ Ghana enti wo susu this year me see this year ye kọ Ghana mame animation ya contact me come to my DM bra me DM and I say me WhatsApp no me WhatsApp number no obra na me show how I be say obi esi we num Juice Plus I ti nya eden wa num Juice Plus again weight are possible who be say we gain weight I wa how I be say anum no and I hope so lose weight in so how I be say anum no but some people are giving people false information lady bi am ne kasa I was saying omo ka kire ni say osori no pa we na no shake no ade wu person lose weight shake no now the fruits ni samyoma bi was so ti menum glass 5 because ade anya ne de what the apple agum or the way agum to menum 5 na nipa we no person won lose weight I don't the day she went up gaining weight the fact is say fruits and vegetables help in nutrition doesn't mean say would di aduaba bia be ma wo so ate. There are sugar content in most you go nyoma bebre apple there was sugar content banana there was sugar content there was sugar content nti nipa no waka cha ne say onfa nyoma we mfa ni that person doesn't know obi person ne so tia and when he say ayi na won mo obenu ma yi ni nko a na wo waka cha ne say shake no the fruit bear 5 a good shake ni mu now what sim this I no create me 2 my one here betimi at the pound when you na aboso me am ka kire ebe 2 sister listen no timi num cup 5 I ne dabro so no 2 bom enti obi to awose ade na anya adwuma enso sister na me ka kire say wa wo 3 na me de na 2 Juice Plus so no me na me order corset man me corset am order man sister no ntimi mbode to ho say sister ne de to last on the to last or the corset ne to last. And plastic surgery sometimes when you na sister be a Germany due to plastic surgery. So feel or been contact me. It's not only for women and men it's for even men. It's for men. These are nyoma bebre ho a yentimi nom nesa because obu ho apple say dey oberi apple onimu ye ne sekra be fem obi ntimi ndi banana enti sa nyoma ni nyina ni ablend di agu whether you are a man be ma wo fo e kape ana wo yiri entimi fa ne sakra en aden wo ye tafu na adam pem be ma bra come bra what metimi anya anwa dad metimi ni obi gina phone so 1 hour na musa aden company papa dia nya de be ma me because me be jana mo ye na ho na I want this say na ha me ya na ha me ntade bi wo ho a me na me ka cho sa ntade bi wo ho a wo hu se ni pa na hye no wo nka be fata wo bia na wo hia corset pen na wo hia Ah, what the best attire? Me, oh, the corset, and I will find some dresses there. I wear without corset, and I wear it when I have corset. Now who say puna? Girls know I'm going internet so now. Who want to move who can me say corset to a packaging no. A packaging. And in town will be find a picture me when I'm catch a packaging. And also your buy what's a package be? Package yourself. What are the Italian buy and wash Italian robo braid and wash Italian just like that. Share one at sir. Yanya dear sir, who packages this I to me poor set near collapse so I sorry them. Share, I go when you so. We are serious. We are serious. Prices said you need to be unquayabi. You need to be unquayabi, but all you or buy what you have to maintain something. Bread and see a sorry about brazier. I don't tell soon JJ. Your boy brazier, or brazier into a funnel so. While will be one I will be now I wear a back but a time. And see now quite no frono, who's a wa. A grandma stretch it, while stretching a frono. And see, you may be very loose. See if you don't contain it, Adiana. Not who didn't know what pressing cause skin and I are tight. But when you hold it, not a cell, one cacasa, and a DNA cassie, not skin elasticity, no, I say, Juma. Maybe woman by second born, I'm a person who third born into me because when I get pregnant, I am a mobile. May phone pa, I'm intimidated. I have hyperemesis, have gravidad. All my intimidated crown, I just said the hospital and Sunny Yakoboye, you know. Oh, please don't call me now. Can I call you? I've seen you people. Don't call me now. I'll call you when I'm done with the program, please. So, and tell me this, one day I stood in the mirror. Hey! Me funa wo brem na me catch on me funo ay me jira say na me hu me kakai me jira say na me show me say na me hu me kakai na me say Jesus. It was as if I was pregnant 6 months. Na me hu me kakai o obi ama wo wi I couldn't see my kakai na say me funa wo bre me didi me twabi na me didi me say erade me didi anya body say na bia me nyim bie ma me sa fon e na say nyinsa ne tie me ni sta me say me nyan. Now I had to. I was a meeting back and I started my corset. How when I said my block, my block and pencil phone. And I started wearing the corset. Oh, my back. Oh, wait, dear, wait, 9. There were 9 bones. What I'm wearing is 25 bones. And then 25 bones is so comfortable. I won't tell you 25 bones. I mean, I wear 9 bones. So we can start with the 9 bones. No, oh, I don't have back when I did a beer. You need to know how we name the Saturday. Obu to me said, yeah, normal the one they call quiet training, no, they are Saturday. Near Wobri, no. The Saturday near something like this. Let the way no. We Saturday. Now we show we win a beer so Smith be good. You can see it. Now I crew wash away ya. Ah, massa. 4 minutes about body contour, so madam. Girls now move on Instagram now move written. Well, we are some masadi acquired the team, Munia the day. And to won't see me aside and obasiation when you never naturally. Madam and her, when your pay we are tiakan so a to me cobebia. When your bedroom we are not do quad them. The old be I and ask them at tiakan so that time when you're the way you to me no way. And you know, I was a who making sure because when you further that will be one so and but how be see and how be see like cuteness or bad dear. Sometimes also young who when you office be a office dress, my moon to suit kakra then. Mammy, and you don't need more banking tea, wouldn't need a suit, wouldn't need you wear, mammy, and yes, I wouldn't need more bank or wild top and down suit, boy in our inside. No sure ye I say oh office be obi invite to office be at but you nipa oh why you like do something be crown another day no go share bear man or no pay mom your office setting onye hu wie mu didi wie na de no wonya be hu the person na wo ye na wie no on phone whether you work in a bank or you don't work in a bank. Money my woman matter na wie na moto na mo sira se hwe me wife me hu no I say suit na me ka so head more bank later na you me hu na mo dey say na mo so you something must bring something. You have to attract something. Ain't me myself you on your debia na your na mo say no now busa won say ade na mani mu efe ni mu kwa na de bai hwe Debbie. I was say, manage something. Obedu how the old boy yana, my back was a tana me brush. Now who born over home? One at Chausa. Who born over home? I don't you bought 2 men, I'm catching and come you. Me bought 2 come you. Adriani and Medina, the Johnny Jambo. Adriani Jambo, come and I mean, it's in Amsterdam. A radiant, dear Nelco, dear Nelson, many supreme. I want them call wire back or 2. And because many are brepa, many are break. And crying into Adriana Brochira. Home Women Association of Germany, Jumea, yet if you're 24/7. Oh, Jimmy, and whatever more did this, Mr. First, may I just went to Ghana 2 weeks, said I be a Mako Chiamano, anytime call Ghana. Me call Ghana by me lose weight, come because of buffet, me, I didn't see buffet, me copy family intimidity. Would me call buffet and Hunya and Bebrana, a family so. Make it to a mint to me, to buffet, and I'm quite Ghana. Nuntina, a mamma so tears me back Ghana and I said, Biano swat, oh, I came and you tell me, Brianna, so that I am a young Bashan. Oh, Mamma, yeah. Come on, go for my tie, baby. Come on, go for my tie, baby. I'm into your bath one. Okay, I'll go and check it when I'm done. So, we are back. Do something. Also, you as a woman, you need a waistline. You need a waistline, so you need a waistline. It's me myself. What be better me to ago? We need to crown. You need a waistline. No short idea. My form ka crown brum. We need no form po. Maybe I was talking now. Ubo more. We are extra. I mean sink something. Let something do like we short idea. My young baby. Every matter in them yours. At a concert is not for or more. I have broken. Movie near there. Then concert no. It's meant for a woman, so that they are sometimes we cry, Pia Bontia. Wounded baby, one. Why about Cosset a cry near Moediania? Would you mark me in one? No, pray my amber. Was to thank you, I'm okay. Now also the Obama sister or baby sister. Would you have funny now when our person could dear Janine night to us here and no. We are saddened in our home fence so my man pel sister. Yet do a Pia Bonti, Buffet person dinner and in night be a yanisa. Oh, Piako baby, also Bocosset. Hello. Message gangs, no, Hannah, my gangs, my G's, no, I say. My side chick gangs, my patron man, if you want to join us, search for side chick gang. This year, a better party. Musonka won't we invite. This year, I'm coming to Ghana. We are coming to 3 hours solo, side chick gang. And to your bar song, men are attracted by what they see. So what they see and a year man so what we hear. And today be a need to cry every day be a baby. I'm trying my things are with the harbor. My thing and my son your person when you crack at promise us say something is coming. And when you tell us you say something, when you must to us baby today I don't have anything, baby today we are not interested in what you have. Promise us because of what we in a man so are captured by until they be almost a girl when cheer girl who fool a girl will be a didn't we didn't boy we didn't know dignity. Bema party fair men Obiaka a girl way no like girl or a shy tap or your way crana or your presentable girl. That's a whoop ya. Mark and I'm bonnet or more than a damn bonnet, but on any PR you can or baby or have they have presence. There are some women when they walk in the room, you can feel so somebody is there. People like a mother brave feel discomfort. I say, oh, when you're okay. I also read there my marble shake, massa. When you go somewhere, also you have to command a presence. Also, what to wear, what not to wear at occasions. Oh, you're okay, but your choice of clothing, you don't know how to dress for the occasion. Ya kwa wedding no akọ dresses and ya wo club. Ya kwa club no akọ shout ade. Masa. Yeah. Mo wa fe power but misinterpretation no your Carissa fa kola nko mo nyina obi. Close the door. Misinterpretation how you dress, you don't know how to dress for the occasion. And also create me to mask. So what you say? Be join this side gang na. Won join it. Who na ho? Me nyamba live wo mo right now no. We don't invite people. That's a bar. And one is a requesting me. I'll just approve of you. Ada no lady Baku we need airtime for being the most contributor, 100 Ghana cedis. Now we are now on Sardine Haya. The one year man stresses, you can remember you. A girls here we will be talking. They say you start issues, you start main issues now. And man more will be coming like a kind. We will be coming like Nana. My WhatsApp contact. Oh, I think I have it on my page. Please, when you are done, check my page. Let me see. Mami share my contact. You can check. Or please DM me. Come to my DM. I will share send you. These pages messages. Come there. I will send you. Some people have already sent me WhatsApp. Wow. And see, as a lady, you know, and you might be brain. Sometimes I look at this what I ordered versus what I got now. There are some people what I ordered versus what I got now. And you not had any problem, no, because most of the times, no, the things they advertise, no, and you the same clothing. So your man have fashion, what could so elegant dress is supposed to cost like 1,000 euros. Now we'll turn 50 euros, and then you want the same thing. It's not possible. But as long as there is something similar, now you can work it. I mean, a dress, unless it's atadiano, it's samami. But atadiano sumamia, I can work it. Meti mi abohun, ubeti mi stitch baby boy be a name muneso. You can just stitch it, baby boy, because atadiano brony no one kosusu ansana warrior. And to atadia, me, I just look at some clothes. My say, what can I do with this? Some atadia being so is a no for your body type. Atadia be body shape now, which is any answer we share atadia no. But when we so be a shape, you need to know person we share idea way back. So this bag, that small bag, sideways bag, near the dinner or mobono. Efe pa, me kwa gana mi to be kwa for my younger sister. Efe, and I say, and member the on the bomb, we say, Efe, and all. But me na nyame fe. Because I'm short, me nipatietia. And I remember says a bag and I made it for the JJ. I did Sika or Trotrum. And send a designer one neighbor. And I feel so my phone no muton idea with Joe. No, some of the bisha, no Joe Musica. So I don't know. Call me sick, but some bag nearby. And I said, who is a boy, and I'm who's adding me a mate, and I don't know. Sana na me and I mean, who's a mate here. And Fatami, I don't know, but call me crazy, but I don't follow fashion. And yes, a beer. I dare be abaso. Obia ye bintino. Means to may be no. At a debut or baswa, your body type, no, and fatal. Dressing you or baswa. It wouldn't look good on you. I don't know, dear. Abaya. And you know, that's just me. So, fashion is some way, but you have to interpret it. You see all these shyta girls getting married and getting. Bearman, you secure him first. You need to secure the bag. Secure him first. The rest will follow. And there be our girl with cheer girl we didn't. Bearman no she and no more didn't know Munguni Moma so. Or more didn't no massa. Ya hem one there's no print ya print or be a banner record reward. Now baby boy who know it's all about you. And I think me or mama will fall crank because of my dear be. It's all about you. Baby one in who sees your crossing who na won't way no. Say when I end you one swung. Who dear be indeed so in fact into so dear Nina. And so go ahead be a cobacoban how to treat that thing. So what you say? And it's not about that. Secure the bag first, secure the man. They have not be secure on hygiene. Hygiene, it's not a year, you be sound sad boy, women, I'm a one, and I say, must forget to our one. And now our one on the other way. Now our one into me, my phone, I'm can't come back with me now. Or Baba Siaba. Hey, I don't know, but sometimes we are away, and if I would now, what's a baby to me shoe? Thank you. I'm told I can't win your area. Well, what's it now? Who said no? I said, be a family winning now. What to me say, yeah. Things are not things. I need to go and bath. So, but to your back, won't me who here who can cry. Who is shower? I told her, well, to me to where you win your ribby cry. Something to be to me foul. So I to me say, I said, baby bone. We are nipper, we are human beings, but our Baba Siaba. Oh, can. Bryce, close the door for me. Bryce, please come and close the door. When you say about train, thank you very much. Oh, Baba, see about who can. Obama Beman is the cassette day. When me ye be man dey obey jaw because who born sister. Yeah, nkasa who on can who born. It's just simple as that. We are but sometimes people have oily skin is me naturally, I have a dry skin. Very dry skin. It's on a normal day crime. I don't sweat. Yes, I am sweating. You won't me born because we have dry skin. You won't sweating. Bet me on we also then obi wants to swallow. No, maybe ask a crab. Say man, no, or mama to a woman. I then after until you know. I also offer tissue near you like handkerchief crown out 10 crown out fashion. We are bear wow. Crown out more to a ya not pepper, good job, be another, or you know, to a motum. Share. Now what to a motum, no pepper. Now the way I used to show a deodorant being so share. Now would you chew another with this spray? So, maybe to a many my own, many my sister, many ma. Yeah, me so me so many man, sister Jai. Essence. Who say when you pa, I don't know when you man who to me born, I say you him. I don't know, man, I'm one young pen, I don't know. Who to me born, pa, and it was some say we are who to me who born, I owe him, say, ya, no, who they are, who to me granny, because I born you him. So I say, hey, ain't you many momana? I am not me sense in here, into me, you so mamma deodorants. And to the some mad or forget about a mad deodorant. If it's not working for you, use the men one. And Mamma and Nivea say, Mamma Diana roll on back with her. Nay, a powerful to me, many men I'm using. Because men dear, oh, fine, my whole born year, sister, and I'm catch them. I'm catch them. Men find that down. A giant souvenir. Because when you me I don't feel good crying 1 week cry me at the hole. I brought a jaria cry there ain't no me cry and I says now what the whole so cry now every week now who born and we will sham this time. Oh, one will be an amencho guate. You wouldn't understand. And the mamma and mamma Nivea, me say Nivea, mamma will move roll on be Nivea. And when I'm using to your bar, now say who say, oh, you have so who aspirate na you taba one. Use a mema roll on and no a day. It doesn't matter. The young is a bed, a best of my member, there is only sham will be over me. I don't know when I'm pregnant and we sham, but when I'm not, normally I don't. I buy perfumes because of their set. I am allergic to perfumes. Me spray me my Jania ko jam baby. Just so I don't. I have a lot of you know my brain panic disorders. I have a lot of things in tea. Yeah, I mean, yeah, like your normal person. But I try to control all those perfume. They make me me I don't really have scent because I have a dry skin. It's different to me. I'm that is just the problem. But I still buy perfumes, even though I can't stand it. I buy it now. You will spend my journey, my freedom. But if I stay that same place now, I better for me so me home but who spray no baby open area just for people's sake. And yes, I be our media me sweating to me okay no. And in a channel we am Valentine and next na ukwa be no makan be so. Wo shots na fear and ko gu honi masin ko bia bibi kan bia so e ma boy na bia boy no respect o pa sister. Wo be Valentine sa no ko gu honi masin. E many be won so e bia ebia white on white na we adwuma we nko se me nkofo ni such again when o se me chill obebu o wa ebia wenya white be for some time me ade treat it ade na nko ba bia enko ba bia na ma na de na da hokwa menye wadwen say you want to etina your Valentine ti chinchin atwan be ma no da so what's the Valentine we dem anko oni obi fro kwakoda oni obi kwakoda ma ne nko de so what problem is saying? Ebia you have white, you have something, treat it, and go when you say one and go treat it or boy or bar say baby ban who treat it. Make a fair Ibiaba. Well, now you guys need to pay me. Yeah, I'll bring it on my page, but you need to pay me. I'll bring it on my YouTube. Italy, and I say Germany. Your bar, and I say Berman. Italy, Saugella. But Germany. friend is Sajella. Who a year? No, both of you go. Who are Italy? I Saugella. But who are Christ? Hey, give it to Clara. Let's talk about Benetton. The man where you are to no pharmacy. Where you know the Mutiamica. You are to no pharmacy. Saugella in Italy. A pharmacy in Quano Motono, Montono, Yatono pharmacy, Germany, I say so. A Sagella, Yatono pharmacy. Me chira wo unse wunchia me ka me chira wo ya ton wo pharmacy or bar na say bema even if you're a guy you need to have it in your bathroom ya ton wo pharmacy nko na obenya sa de we biato ya nton wo normal shop enye chili sa chili na sheshe nam dia cost fa from ha mu na anya hwe na de yare kwa be we ya ton wo pharmacy Italy ya Saugella but Germany ya Sagella sa de we kwane ko to do your bar Neja sanyoma na ye di free Ghana abram ya dem di ahihye wa me say na tie fa bi si bathroom na use na bedamase why we dey use you abefrem honam me da ase onyema when you are pregnant un say anyema we have a lot of discharge obi kwa na we need discharge but unya anyema discharge ni sanyo obi kwa dey heavy ebi kwa dey wa before you give birth kwa your mawo your mo fa bi kwa your test no masa ma wundro ni ade use this when you are pregnant use this Fawo wase we are beman so fawo way even after intercourse be use it and come back and tell me but never damase but another day no me come a story how I got into contact with this thing never become a story the action but me see if you are in Italy a Saugella Saugella but if you are in Germany a Sagella 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 in pharmacy kwa apotheca we can't see it well. Okay, Saugella, and only in Italy, but Germany is Sagella, the same thing, but depending on the country and a name, but only in pharmacy, Oko Germany apotheca also per Sagella, or more green or more blue, no aquacoto. Another day, how I got into contact with this thing. And how I says over 5 good years, 6 good years, or bad year, Bema no better. But some man Baka baby say, oh, I said, born dear sister. No, ain't possible. Go and buy things away. You buy it from who call beach, Nissan Manomana. Who after doing that, not the way you see antibacterial active, you know, very strong, no scent, no smell, nothing is hygienic. Who say we drink kuku cry after but so we drink kuku my way hygienic, you know, in tissue say you be here one assassin. Now munja your man mutisha my hair, mutisha my hair, mono. Where pharmacy and your tongue. Would you use to be my Tobiam or be a postiam or be what the US pain? And yaman I'm a tongue, yaman I'm a manufacturer and all of the say, men me see any pharmacy or apotheca or Germany or Italy or Belgium. Or you can Google it, Saugella, and I say all these online pharmacies, but who never be a normal shop. But now one casacotobi or the bifesi bathroom. Who dry or by now the beer gumusa, now they are your no as I was waiting so guma washiwa. Swatia, say what was him fine after sexual intercourse also. No, you should be no share. Would you have a damas machawa de free? In Ghana, it's not available in Ghana because it's sold only in I will be like I come and find it, you know. I better many post me back. One child, one self. I post so I don't know now, but ain't please. It's not sold in Ghana. Maybe I may side checks for one or more because I mean to be bro more dear than. I send you the cost. Maybe I may bag and I may to be their brand, they are fine. But you sold only in pharmacies in Europe, in Italy and Germany here, or online pharmacies. Apart from pharmacy, we never be a normal shop on top. And I don't know where they sell it in bulk. In please, if you're in Ghana, dear, no. In UK, sunshine, check online. Maybe in UK, crab it mean your online pharmacies, no. Oh, UK, I know when you're beato. But find it with the upper boss Sagella and our Saugella nehe in UK crown now, check your pharmacy. Because they are sold in pharmacies. In two call on no crowd, then they can order for you. They can even help you and order. Why? The box, here is the box. Sajella Active, where is Sajella Mini German one, Diana, Asa. They have it in green and in blue. Blue one is when you're green, now your blue one is the same thing, but pink, you know. Pink, they I wouldn't recommend men top pink, you know, to green and now blue. Because green is active. And blue near antibacterial, you know. Green or blue is the same brand, but try it and come and thank me. No smell when you go into the beach. So when you use it. I've been using this over 5 years, and me say I'll share my story how I got to know this because that time, you know, chili, and I know be any chili, and I know be any chili, chili. Kind cry so aba from chili is sold everywhere. Oko shop and cry meaning come they be near Italy nebi. But this is sold in pharmacies. Pharmacies we will be a white pa problem so. Now intimi kwa use way na bra na madam I don't sure on Amazon. Okay, check Amazon too and see. Check Amazon and see. So when you be it's all good. As long as say be a pharmacy be na ton or honey check and see if you find it on Amazon. Now we check it seller no na be a pharmacy be na dia beto ho dia then fine. Madam, Miss Kunene. And then let's talk about me your program. Oh, Wunyane. Hey, Miss Kunene so Wunyane show no. Hey, mommy.
Adam.
I'm not too big. Now on a chota.
Adam you.
Who nim crab and oh no, that's all about him.
I can't trust him no bit.
Oh ma. And then me come and not offer who say why am I lying? And please and please again, side chick gang, no. Nobody should invite anybody. May invite you be a nipa kakra na we are okay, we are cool there. You penny pa bebre be am ba be de wo. Some people don't know the internet to one or group no onim. No have a problem. See, if you want to join just type side chick gang on Facebook. When you see it you send your ear, I will approve it. We are saying later on I'll open the side chick gang the WhatsApp. And no they paid premium. And when they paid the men so my man must more pay no pay girlfriend no Miss Somabode fine. And two pay be a father to many men no miss group na mo fetch any man kwadeda. E ma mo baden danka wo group ni mu. Wo po ba wa ba ka kire na me am inspect o men hwe ho. So wo fatase ama wo ba me am hwe na pa bia ma tiawa. We enye hookup wo ho. Enye oba have you used it before? Okay. German is Sajella SAGELL. Just a unipen or in German no. Unipen or more ye free. Because me bad German here say na me share Sajella until we call mo you chair me. Sajella na so is the same thing in German no you pen anywhere Sajella but in Italy no. Anyway me order or Belgium shop apotheca is cheaper online shop apotheca a pharmacy online from Belgium but in German Diana meton SAGEL that's about Unipen or buy just the Unipen everyone and to me see buy some and use it to your bar anyone say would see no I've been using this for over 5 years. Me borrow a pharmacy and I'm asking my sister. I said my two me na me who big that me ask me buy akoko aketua. Pharmacist no e dey draw we say me fitted that day 6 years on or 7 years on. Me use bibia ni wa kama hem. I see inside here we say through my pregnancy, through everything BBM. This is what I've used. And ko fefa no man fan ko chicha wa ham e ma de ni nkonyinya oba besi aba wani fefe oba be ma bia ba wa no okọ utu fiefo abaifo kwa say this year yi omunya na mo weye omo sum aye omo ya wo so sori awo de o mema fo kankan sam ne ba betete omo ba yo hu yi wate we oba yo hu yi na na nko se me call live wa me site gang ni mu enti fa ne se me dia free Derek mema na mo pem ma no we are boy man so no akwa na opo ba ni na rori anko fa just any other girl say man no what's your chiro mu nyansa enti catch me na me ampa bi ma onye hook up e oba obetim na tena mama bebre dia betum anim omo pe ma ware obi wo Germany opo ba ope Ghana na so ye ya if the person I know the person or we know each other na ni funny ntimi be your oponi but me mbie mani member group e ma mo ne mo ho nkodeda e ma mo be ha ma adwene e na we ni kwada no ma mi san da bi be ma no hwe na so aso awade a waso mpna twa be ka kire me e ma no me de betuma yi sam ma bi agusa wo mo omo ye red no so so mpeso ye ya enye hu ka me nje oba bi asika me nti obi anfa ne ba me jam me ana me boabo e o se boabo hu because ma bebre ho mo pem mema they don't know which is which mema bebre on so mo pem mom so they don't know which so we can help each other bet me aboabo ye ho abrochi e wo nkofe ma bebre wo dem mo hwe mema e mema bebre Sandra oh for you it's not about me adding you search the group and request it. I can't add you here. Request the group on side chick gang. Request the group. Side chick gang doesn't mean say if you are married you cannot join. There are a lot of people who are married, they are there. It's just for the name keke. The name just sound nice. Doesn't mean say we are all side chicks near oh. Memeti akra mienya papa ni bia meni abre by this time. Enti enya bi. Why you can join. We all share enyoma bebre dia strenya ade. We don't need quantity. Nye nipa bebre twe ka me pa cho. Se sika 70 na ba e se bi abesere shamanfo sika nso a. We don't do that there. E won ye pe asumdie. We just love something, we put something there we love. Emu share da nye hye, but emu be ye hye enche. Enti please if you want I have this shoe, maybe I want this, and don't come there for now. Right now, we are all getting to know ourselves here. If somebody has something up, I will put it there and let them know. For now, that's all about it. Sandra Fuewa. Oh, Benny Blains, you are even using it. Okay, good. Media chamone, media free move for now. Go and use it and come and thank me. Me pharmacy nyame na me I don't sell it. Me sell it. Pharmacy me order 2 kwan e buy. I will review it and put it on my YouTube. YouTube when I'm sad me pa cho. If I say what is slangs go to my YouTube. Na kwatie brofo. Me pa cho go back. Saujela. It's Saujela. Aha, obaya just for learning laughing and learning. Yes. You be WhatsApp then, but WhatsApp then be purely paid subscription. Until if you are coming there, and you're going to be wo. I want it be serious giddy pants, you know. WhatsApp me be, but if I open it, I be paid with vetting. Me for a video call, I need to know who is in. Also, me for a video call, I be sure who ni panel. And wedding command her mental state. If you can handle what you are going to say there. Nobody me be any just like no be akekembam so we sika now we group mu then you go and misbehave me be you free it's all up to you when you na aba be screenshot ya man phone come dia ko eduabo betimi aba me metimi am ya bodua kono me fa ho wo ba group ni mu na say wo ba be screenshot ya amanfo come hia ma dia ko cheche ma busuafo a eno so ye betimi abodua bibia ya possible e was am group ni mu what enti no and one no for now my bread ya brentiane omo na your birthday we've already reached them now please and please again me pa cho so we know how to recover an account on Facebook please let me know who checked on Amazon guys you can order on Amazon okay nana makuna do thank you they can order on Amazon okay any me pa cho mo ko check Amazon so if you are in UK and other places Munko check and please again the Juice Plus is still on. Juice Plus no na make sure say there are some people they can teach you Juice Plus na water but ube kese ube to abom me say I put somebody on it nipa no watching am me say corset so if you want corset and so oba o sha atade am shape mrem pe ha wa be si a sha atade o so be call online akwa shake body so dress ya obetimi post ama shape abemo eno so contact me for corset 25 steel bones 9 bones any double in the bom nya corset bi o ho aye de training Cause it be why I did not fear me. I have what I use, I did not fear. And I have the medicine edipia bonti around. And I'm more than this shan casa de shat. We have cause this a straight dress and a 25 bone. I tell you, man. I don't know so I'm in my chain. Why you cook titty? Why you couldn't time, mammy? Which you cook. And one on your bar. You need to attract something. Yes, it be now bra say you need to know your bra size. I was a woman bra the short idea be. We will know for doors, so you need to know the type of bra. What's a wish? Obu I know for doors to send me day. Now I say yeah, once a bra or half cap. And you was a boy anything. You will be anything you contact me. I'm in sure. We know for doors so embrace the boy and more into a boy how or brace the boy no for a flatter. So brace the boy no for doors so I am more. Brace the boy no for so any boy. Well, now I shot I did come about now no for a baby boy mountain said I have a prepare. Now so no for no cry and we are no a flatter. Not done. And I love everybody. This was just a short one because I miss you all. My mama do be on you don't have time this year for that. Ain't you know? I love you all. Thank you for watching. And bye. Mole for neighbor.